Who will tell me what is wisdom? We have a few minutes left in the class and a few ayahs to cover, but last question to you guys. What is wisdom? What do we mean by wisdom? Who will tell me?
Wisdom is like, for example, if you're old, like a synonym of sophisticated, like experienced, like you have a lot of experience of doing something,
Very nice.
and
So
you can teach that thing.
thank you, Ahmed. So you're saying wisdom is when you grow old and you have experience and you have seen the world, you have the knowledge of things. So that brings you wisdom. Yes, that is correct. Shayan, go ahead.
Wisdom means to know what you are doing or knowing what is going on around you. One who is very, very, very wise would know how everything around him would work and what would happen if something happens.
Excellent. So you are correct. So he has the knowledge of everything that is going around him and everything. One element that I want to just add here is wisdom is equal to knowledge plus action. So knowledge, I think both of you said very well. So thank you, Jazakallah, Shayan, as well as Ahmad. You guys are right. So knowledge, so wisdom is a person who is wise, he has experience, he knows, he's aware, but knowledge has to be followed by action. Why do I say this? Knowledge alone without action is not beneficial. Let me give you a basic example, and I think we discussed it in some of the previous classes as well. Let's say there is a candle that is burning. Now, all of us know, we have this knowledge that if we put our hand on the burning candle, what will happen? Our hand will burn. But a wise person is the one who will not bring his hand on the candle or on the flame, because he has the knowledge and he's doing the right action of not putting his hand so that he doesn't get burned. He's a wise person. However, if there's another person who knows that the candle will burn and he still brings his hand and he burns himself, then he's not wise. So Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala is bringing this topic because now a lot of information has been passed on to us in the previous ayahs and the passage, and we will continue to receive information and actions and guidance in the Holy Quran. Who are the wise people amongst us? We don't need to be old to be wise. The wise people are who will take this knowledge and who will perform actions accordingly. And Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala in previous ayah is saying that wise people are the one who have unlimited bounty and who have abundance of khair. They have khairan kasira, this part. So here we saw that Allah subhanahu wa ta'ala provides this wisdom, and certainly those people who get this wisdom, this is khairan kasira for them, right? So we should try our best that whenever a good piece of knowledge comes to us, we put it in action. We start practicing it. That's how you can be wise. And there is no age of being wise. You can be wise at an early age. In fact, those people who truly want to be successful in this life and in hereafter should start practicing being wise as early as possible. Okay, so once you get the knowledge, you start actioning it. You start performing your life according to that knowledge, and you will be wise. Just like the example of the candle and the hand that I gave you, please remember this.